Hey guys, let's just unbox the Fire TV stick that I got from Amazon. As you can see here, it works with every single channel, Netflix, Prime, Hulu, Apple TV, and everything else, right? So it's a pretty good one. As you can see here, it has like double Atmos and also 1080p resolution, quad-core processor with fast Wi-Fi, right? So it comes here with the seal. Let me just remove it. So basically, it protects to make sure that you have the original device. There we go. Remove the seal here and open the box. Let me just see what's inside. So I just remove from the box here. I see the Amazon logo. In here, a remote control. The first thing that I see, the remote control for the device. Cable. So let me just check here. It's a micro USB to USB-A cable. And then it comes this Fire Stick that you can just plug to your HDMI TV, right? And here you're going to connect the cable. Okay, let me just remove from this plastic. There we go. Okay, just connect to the cable here and power it up. Also here the remote control. Let me just remove from the plastic as well so you see it better. There we go. Remote control, you have like few buttons, one for Prime Video, Netflix, Disney, and Peacock. And here also plastic. Let me just remove this as well. There we go. It's a beautiful remote control. You can also press here to talk to Alexa. Pretty good. And here's an extender. So you can use this extender instead of connecting directly here to the HDMI. You can use this extender, which makes easier to connect to your TV, right? Then you connect to the HDMI port and it's flexible. So pretty useful. And the last thing here is just the FireStick TV hello documentation. There we go, how you can connect to your TV and make it work, right? And I think there's something else here. I think it's just, okay. I see that's the power brick. So you don't need to use an extra power brick because it comes with the power brick and also it comes with the battery. So you can put in the remote control, right? So pretty good. Basically, that's the FireStick TV. It comes with everything that you need to make it work, right? So you can get yours on Amazon.